70 broadcasting. Northeastern Alexander County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northern Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles east of Taylorsville, or near Love Valley, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Stony Point, Harmony, Love Valley, Hiddenite, Turnersburg, Olin, Vashti, Union Grove, Cool Springs, and Scotts. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander and Iredell. This is the NOAA Radio All Hazards, WXL 70 broadcasting from a tower on Spencer Mountain in Rema, North Carolina, operating on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz.